Draw Better Studio, and today we're going to be drawing a turkey. We're going to be drawing a turkey because for me right now it's Thanksgiving. So I like to draw turkeys when it's Thanksgiving because I usually like to eat them when it's Thanksgiving as well. And now let's get right into it. So just draw a question mark shape like this. And then let's just draw some things sticking out of himself like that. Now actually I'm gonna make this one come like that. Now I'm just gonna draw a shape like coming down. And I'm just gonna draw his beak. You can draw his beak any way you want, or you can draw like how I want to draw it. So just like that. Now I think I'm gonna make it like that. And I'm gonna make a smiley face come out of it. These kind of look like bunny ears, but so I'm gonna fix them and make them like feathers. It's gonna go like that. Good. It's close enough, and I'm gonna make an eyeball shape. Now just a circle, shade the rest in, and now I'm gonna draw a little thing here, and then they have these droopy red things on him. I don't even know what they are, or what they're called. But when I look at turkeys, I see them. I see those red things on them. So I'm gonna just adjust his smiley face. You can keep it, or you can make up any smiley face on his beak. So just like that. Good, that's good. Now I'm actually gonna wanna make them. Now I'm gonna go like that. Good. Now I'm gonna connect it from here. Now I'm gonna make his neck skinnier. Should I? Yeah, just like that. Now just connect these. Good. And then now we're done with his face. Now I'm just gonna draw a line coming down, two bumps. Now I'm just gonna draw coming up. That is huge. Now actually I'm gonna make his body a bit coming down a bit more. So just bring it down, and then just do the same thing you did over there to the legs. Good. Now let's just draw. Now I'm just gonna draw a curved line coming up, a wing, and then just do these 3 lines. And now just do a bunch of bumps like that. I'm gonna make it this bump a little smaller, and then just keep on going around. Good. Now just do another. I'm gonna do another layer. Okay. Good. Now I'm just gonna draw like turkeys have these feathers on them, so that's what I'm drawing right now. If you're wondering, so just. They'll get bigger and they get bigger and bigger when they go up, and then they get smaller and smaller as they go down his body. Okay, just keep on making them. Good. Now under his body, they have like these fan shapes, and then these like smaller feathers on him. So just do a bunch of lines. Good. Now they have like these. I'm gonna make a cartoony version, so I'm gonna actually adjust his wing a bit to make it a bit bigger. Okay, and I'm gonna actually put a little bit of these details. They have like these details on him. Draw them all in. Good. Now we finished the pencil stage. The next stage is the inking stage. First, I'm going to add a bit more detail here. You can do that if you want. Now, I'm going to ink it. I'm going to time lapse. It's about time to time lapse. 3, 2, 1, time lapse. we can erase all the pencil marks. Once you're done inking your turkey, you should be left with a clean drawing. Well, I hope you enjoyed drawing a turkey with me. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.